Until recently, it was possible to search inside the YouTube Content ID system to see if you could use a song in a video without it meaning artists could slap an advert on your video or raise a copyright issue against you. But I'm afraid that's now gone. YouTube claimed it was because not enough people were using it, which might be true, or it might be because the Content ID system only covered songs that had been added to the system. So basically, you still can have a copyright issue on your hands, even if YouTube says it's okay. So how do you see if you can use a track on a YouTube video now? Well, the first way, and by the way, this will not cover you from copyright issues outside of the Content ID system, which I just mentioned, is to make another YouTube account, upload your video and wait to see if it passes the test. If it does, you can upload it to your YouTube channel. If it does not, you might want to pick another option. Just remember, you're still not safe from a claim if the rights owners of a track hunt you down. The second option, and the one that really is the best option to keep you safe, is to use music that has been released under a Creative Commons license. The video at the end of this will give you some options to get free tracks as well as review a few paid platforms. And the final option is to approach the rights owners and the artists and ask if you can use their music. But I mean, the music industry isn't exactly brimming with cash like it once was, so I'd be very surprised if they let you without paying. This is all super annoying from YouTube, and I'm afraid right now you basically have to create a new account to test or reach out to artists and labels, track down free Creative Commons musics, or pay a platform to use royalty-free tracks. But there is one thing, however, that might bring hope to using music on your videos one day, and this is just an opinion, but TikTok, which hopefully still exists soon because it's forcing innovation on other platforms, has deals with record labels which allow them to use short music tracks from well-known artists. YouTube has just released a big update for musicians and artists to allow them to track the data of their songs from not just their own videos, but other people who use their tracks too. Is this a sign that they want to work more with the music industry? I mean, the most watched videos ever are pretty much all songs. Could we one day see deals like this on YouTube, like TikTok has? It could be an amazing way for the music industry to generate revenue, and it would be great for creators to use well-known tracks too. Otherwise, personally, the next best options you have are platforms like Soundstripe and Artlist.io. In fact, we use Soundstripe right now, and people have asked us in the past for the names of tracks, thinking they were from famous artists because the quality is so high. So that's my solution. Stay safe, otherwise you're basically in the Wild West. If you can't afford a subscription, then check out this video here to get some free tracks that will keep you safe, or watch this video here, which battles Artlist.io, Epidemic Sound, and Soundstripe, who we currently use. And make sure you subscribe to learn how to make videos for your own YouTube channel, promote them, and get tips and tricks from us 3 times a week.